Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Spy, your HQ for spy level market analysis. Today we decode why Palantir stock is falling sharply and whether this is something an investor should worry about. Palantir shares have been pressured today, down roughly 6 to 8% in intraday trading. That's a pretty big dip for a stock that's been one of the faces of the AI revolution. But here is a twist. Despite strong financial results, upbeat guidance, and a growing commercial pipeline, the stock is still falling. So what's really going on? Let's have a look. The number one reason is the AI hangover and the valuation pressure. Palantir has become a symbol of AI rally, and when that happens, market starts to demand perfection. Analysts says that the stock was trading at premium multiples, which is far ahead than its actual earnings growth. So when they deliver a good but not spectacular quarter, traders took profit. Think of it this way: when everybody already expects a flawless mission, even a tiny turbulence feels like a failure. That's what's happening here, profit taking from an overheated sector. Also, the broader AI group including Nvidia, AMD, C3 AI saw similar declines. The entire AI sector is catching a breath after months of intense gains. The second reason is Michael Burry's bearish moves. Now here is where it gets interesting and a bit psychological. Remember Michael Burry, the investor made famous by the Big Short, the same guy who predicted 2008 crash? According to recent 13F filings, Burry has placed bearish positions against several tech and AI related stocks, and Palantir reportedly among those being shorted or indirectly targeted through market ETFs. When somebody like Burry takes a defensive stance, it shakes investor confidence, especially in stocks that are already considered expensive. It doesn't necessarily mean that Palantir is doomed, but it reinforces the fear that AI hype circle might be overheating. But let's be real here. The market listens when Burry raises an eyebrow. So even if its position is small or temporary, the psychological impact can accelerate short-term selling. Retail investors see headlines, algorithms react, and the domino effects begin. Another reason is the broader market turbulence. Tech stocks overall are facing the pressure. Rising bond yields, inflation, uncertainty, and talks of rate cuts being delayed. When the rates stay high, investors rotate out of their high growth names like Palantir into safer assets. So part of this drop isn't Palantir specific, it's collateral damage from a nervous market. Also, there are whispers about potential slowdown in government contracts, one of Palantir's strongest revenue streams. This also adds to the jitters even though the company's fundamentals remain intact. So as an investor, should you worry? The reasons to worry are: valuation is still steep. If growth slows down, downside could be painful. As always, broader AI fatigue and market headwinds might keep volatility high. Michael Burry's bearish tone adds fuel to this short-term pessimism. But not all is gloom. There are reasons to stay calm. Palantir's revenue growth remains solid with strong commercial expansion and repeat government business. The company's fundamentals isn't broken. What's falling today is just sentiments, not the substance. Burry's shorts are often short-term plays. Remember, he shorted the market many times before and not all were major crashes. So if you're a long-term investor who believe in AI and data analytics thesis, this could be just another market shake designed to test your conviction, or another buy the dip opportunity. So today's Palantir's drop looked like an implosion of more like a sentiment-driven correction, amplified by the fear of overvaluation, Burry's bearish bets, and a jittery macroeconomic backdrop. Here is the truth: the fundamentals still support long-term gains. Palantir continues to grow its government and commercial contract, expand its AI foundry platform, and strengthen profitability. But the stock price may have run too far and too fast. And the market is now forcing it to just cool down. So, should you panic? Probably not. Should you stay alert? Absolutely. Palantir's story is just unfolding. As every good guy knows, sometimes the best opportunities arise when the crowd gets spooked. So thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment below. Do you think Burry's short is a red flag or just another noise in the system? Until next time, stay sharp, stay informed, and always keep your eyes on the mission. Thanks a lot for watching.